I'm trying to get out the door here, and I can't. I'm gonna have to use some force to show you what I want to show you. Nobody has driven down the street or has left their homes. If you look at the street, it's just filled with snow. Everybody's car is snowed in. And nobody has driven down our street, at least in the past 10 hours. And it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's not a single drive mark in the street or in the next block. Let me see. This is crazy. Snow is getting on our stuff. Nobody has driven, and it's still snowing. Look at our porch. Cars are snowed in. Let me try to show you my car from the window. This lady's car is completely snowed in. Hold on.
Dad, it got worse out there. No, you cooking. It's getting steamed up in here. Delicious.
I want to show you something amazing. The craziest thing ever. I've never seen snow at these heights. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look at the garbages. Look. Look at this snow. Look at our grill. Have you ever seen anything less as high as the porch, you guys? I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you my car. Show you from the window because of snow. It's snowing too much up there. My car is the last car on the corner down there. It's like covered in snow, surrounded by snow.